So hello and welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how to make statistic thing for your Discord bot. So guys, first of all we are gonna need the guild members intent, and if your bot is on more than 100 server, then you will need to apply for this privilege intent. So guys, we will start by making a simple model. I will name it stats.js and I'm just gonna yoink it from my GitHub because I already typed it. So guys, here we are storing the guild ID in this guild thing and member ID. I mean the channel which will show the number of members here. So guys, I'm gonna code it in that way so that you can expand this thing. Like later on you can make bots which will show number of bots in the server and etc etc, and I can even make part 2 on this video. It totally depends on you guys and on what you want. Alright, it is pretty simple. Now we just have to make a command to interact with all of this thing. I will just make it in the admin folder and name it stats.js. So guys, first of all we are gonna require the model. I will get it by doing this model slash guild stats terminate. It is pretty simple. We are just gonna create that thing. Data will be this, name will be stats, and description will be configure the stats for your server. And what else do we need? Type, we do not need the type. We do need the options. Options will be an array. First option will be the type, like what type the user want, like what kind of what how should I say it, what kind of stats they want to show. Required will be true. And why the heck I didn't press enter key here. And let's just add a small description so that people can know what is this, what kind of stats you wanna show, question mark. I wonder if we can use question mark. I forgot, but anyways we're just gonna add the choices so that people don't spam bullshit. So first will be member stats. I think we cannot use caps here too. And the value will be members. And guys, this value is members because the property here is members. All right, and like for example in future you add one for channels, then another value should be like channel stats and this should be channels. All right, but anyways right now this is it. And then we are gonna add an optional property. If let me name it real quick. Optional property will be channel, type will be 7, and 7 refers to channel type. Dude, just wait for a second, let me get the charger. Alright, I'm back. So guys, what was I doing? Alright, the name is this and the type is this. Now we need to make it false, the required thing, because it is an optional thingy. And description will be that the channel where you want me to show stats comma, it can be empty, like the user do not really have to provide this thing. So after all of this we need to provide this run thing. Let me do this async client comma interaction. All right, client comma interactions goes to this. And guys, by the way, let's go to menu and let's just add this permission thing. We forgot to add permission thing here. Let's just add this here and add this thing here too. Paste. So guys, only the user with manage roles or manage server can use this command. Okay, and why even manage roles? Let's make it manage channels. All right, so now we have to first of all get the channel. It will be like this, const channel is equals to interaction dot options dot get channel. I guess that's how it works, and it will be channel. And otherwise we can just do await interaction dot guild dot, well, let me do it. Otherwise we have to create a channel, so I will just make it like this. Channel name will be members and the member count, and for that I will just do interaction dot what to do, man, interaction dot guild dot member count. Well guys, later on when I'm gonna make it better, like when I'm gonna improve this thing, then I will create another variable with the channel name and it will be a bit dynamic. For now let's just use this. Reason will be for stats. Type will be a voice channel because I don't know, all bots use voice channel to show the statistics, because Using text channel is pretty stupid and pretty gay. Let's just do const new data is equals to this guild. Well, I'm doing this just for a small thing, I will tell you in a sec. It is because, wait a second, new data, and now here comes the real dynamic thing. We're just gonna do interaction dot options dot get string, and the name is, what is the name, man? The name is type. So now we are dynamically going to get this type here and just gonna set this its value to channel.id. It is pretty simple and easy, and then we just have to either await stats.find1, then and update it. So first of all, the filter will be guild and id will be interaction.guild id, and it is gonna get replaced with the new data, and we are gonna do this new true, so that we get the new data in this variable. And it is totally possible that it do not exist, this guild's configuration. So in that case, we are just gonna do stats.create, and we are gonna provide this new data. And by the way, add a await here, because if await is not there, then the thing will not work. So after this, we are just gonna reply to the interaction. It will be, well, before replying to the interaction, let's just do interaction dot reply, because because it is totally possible that doing these await can take more time to respond, more than 3 seconds. The content will be, well, the content, what can be the content? Let's just do defer, interaction dot defer, and then we are just gonna do interaction dot reply. Well, just for surety, let me do one thing. Okay, thank god I did that. I will just do content will be added stats for yes, for interaction dot options dot get string, and it is type. So it is pretty simple and easy. Now user can configure their stats thing, but we are not changing the stuff. For example, we have to add some events like guild member add .js, and then we will just do module.exports is equals to a function which takes client and the member parameter equals to bam. And of course, before all of that, so guys, what I'm doing here is, whenever we get a event for guild member add, then we're just gonna change, then first of all we will search if it exists in the well, this model, if the server exists in this model, and if it do, then just simply do a small thing. Let me show you, instead of saying I should just show you. So if data do not exist, or not data dot members, wait, members, members, and make sure it is members, otherwise you will get some error. Well, you will not get an error, but the thing will not work. And data dot members is equals to 0. So if this is the case, then just return, otherwise we are gonna get the channel. So we will do const channel is equals to member dot guild dot channels dot cache dot get, and the id will be data dot members. And by the way guys, later on we can change this stuff a bit, like maybe if we have statistic option for bots, or probably for human users, then we can extend this thing later on. But anyways, for now we're just gonna add this. We are checking if channel not exist, and if we cannot manage the channel, then just return. We do not have to do anything, otherwise just set the name of the channel to members is equals to member dot guild dot member count. Pretty easy and simple if you ask me. And we just have to copy this thing, and we're gonna add this to a few more events. Well, to be honest, I'm just gonna add it to only a single more event, the guild member remove event. If you want, you can add the same thing for guild member ban, add and remove, because yes, you will not get, well, when a user is banned, we only receive that event, not this one. But I don't want to bother doing that. So I guess this is it. We just have to do node dot, and thank goodness I was recording the correct screen. But anyways, this should work. Alright, it worked. Let's go to Discord and show you the real thing, my friend. Now we are on Discord. Let's go to bots, and let me remove this old channel real quick, delete the channel, and let's just do slash stats type will be member stats, and we are just gonna press enter because why not, man? Why not? And by the way, guys, I saw a real cool issue. It is, well, the thing worked, but when you defer to the reply, instead of doing reply, you have to edit the reply. Okay, let me do it. Edit the reply. So CLS and no dot. And by the way, guys, you can see, let me show you the Discord thing real quick. Discord, you can see the new member thing is created. Let me leave the server with my alt account. Okay, my bad, guys. I forgot to add await function. Damn it. I mean, I forgot to add the async function. Let me just go to the in events and just make it async. Okay, we just have to make it async. This means the thing was working every time, but because of that small issue, this happened. I wonder how I'm gonna edit all of this shit. It is going to be a pain. The members are 96, and I'm just gonna leave the server, and it is again going to become 96, so I will join the server as soon as possible, or I should say immediately. Bam. Let's see if it is going to change to 97. I joined the server and it got changed to 97. And let me show you the audit log just for surety. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I again forgot to show you this thing. Lol. But anyways, let me show you the audit log as a proof that it was working. See, the it created the voice channel and it make changes 96 to 97. It is pretty simple, and just for surety I'm gonna leave the server once so that you can see that it gets changed, and now it is 96. Bam. So guys, you can see everything is working and all the code is on the GitHub, and this is it. If you want me to make more on this thing, I mean more on this topic, like stats for your channels, roles, or anything else, just message me, I will do it for you. And yeah, this is it. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye. How to stop recording? Oh, my bad.